Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you two ways on how to enable or disable Fast Startup in Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen. Type Control Panel and click on it. Click on Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown settings, you are now able to turn on or off the Fast Startup. Don't forget to save your changes. The next method is to disable Fast Startup via command line. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen, type CMD, and run it as administrator. By typing power cfg/h-off, we will turn off the Fast Startup. Changing off to on, we will turn Fast Startup back on. And that's it. Now you can disable or enable the Fast Startup in Windows 11 via command line or interface. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.